See, the advantage is once the bike starts moving and there is airflow, then you will be able to cool it down, because as you guys saw, it was 98, 100 degrees Celsius and now it's come down to 95 degrees Celsius. But if you are standing like this, it is going to be expensive. Huh?
What do you do? Go.
Okay, you can daily drive a superbike. I am doing it. I've been doing it for the past 1 year. I'm doing it on this video and you can see it as well. अभी वो कॉप पकड़ेगा क्या? Because I don't have number plate. नहीं, he didn't realize. He looked like some नकली cop. Come on, 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 come on. Oh, बहुत हीटर है भाई. It's getting too hot, bro. 95 degrees Celsius. See, the advantage is once the bike starts moving and there is airflow, then you will be able to cool it down, because as you guys saw, it was 98, 100 degrees Celsius and now it's come down to 95 degrees Celsius. But if you are standing like this, it is going to be expensive. हाँ? वो कंपनी से ऐसे ही आता है. इल्ला नंबर लिखो, चाबी दे दो. ओ चटा. अरे नंबर लिखो भाई. नंबर लिखो, चाबी दो. नहीं डालूंगा, उनको जाने दो. कुछ ना कुछ हमेशा होना ही है भाई वीडियो में. All the more reason for you guys to actually show support. अरे यार, हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ होता है. जस्ट हैंडल इट केयरफुली, ओके? वन थिंग आई वांट टू टेल यू गाइस इज, इन सच सिचुएशंस डू नॉट फाइट विद द कॉप्स, because I have done it in the past where I have fought with them telling that, you know, why are you taking my key, क्या कर रहे हो? But you saw he came, he took the key. I did not do much. Even if I fight, he's going to put a case on me, or rather, even if I fight, he's going to give me a ticket. Even if I don't fight, he's going to give me a ticket. So in front of everybody, in front of the crowd over there, do not lose your cool, because a lot of people are seeing and waiting for drama to happen to embrace the chaos. Okay, so do not do that. So just be cool, let him do his job. So उसने क्या किया अभी? उसने गाड़ी का नंबर नोट डाउन किया, मेरा लाइसेंस का फोटो लिया, and I'm pretty sure that, you know, अभी if I go on my Vahan portal and check, that there will be some case of no compliance of rules and regulations, or non-compliance of rules and regulations where the number plate is not visible. So it's okay, it's a fine of 700, 800. It is not a small deal. It is still a lot of money. But what you guys need to understand is, once you are doing all this shocky stuff, when you're showing off and, you know, when you have a big bike and you feel the bike looks better when you don't have the number plate, all these are prices that you have to pay. It is what it is. The game is what it is, right? So you can't do much about it. So just keep that in mind. And all these are, see, daily drivers. Exactly this. I'm so glad this happened on this video where I was talking to you about, can I ride the superbike every day in the city? This is exactly what goes wrong with cops. They'll notice that you don't have a number plate. Agar idhar bhi hoga, to here also he's going to put a case on me, I'm pretty sure. So what I also recommend is aage mat jana, don't go and stand ahead. Udhar, unfortunately, the signal just turned red and that is the reason I got stuck aage. But nahi to if you're piche within the traffic, you can somehow escape. But if you're unluckily in the front, definitely you're going to get noticed. And if not the cops, then at least the cameras will catch you. So just keep that in mind. He caught me. I have to pay the fine now. And you have to deal with it. So apart from all the recognition and attention you'll get from the people regarding your bike, you'll get a lot of attention from the cops as well. That is the reason I've not yet changed the exhaust, because as such this bike will draw a lot of attention, and if I put the exhaust, दूर से पता चल जाएगा उनको that I'm coming. So I don't want that. So this is what it is, and this happened in this video. I got caught by cops. Oops.